Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all will be fine. Dear student, today we are going to learn our math workbook of class nursery. According to our planning, it's week 8. First of all, mention the date on the top and the day, whatever the date and the day is. Today we are going to learn our workbook page number 25 to 27. So let's open the page number 25. Dear student, today our topic is the crossing one out. Crossing means to cross out. Cross करना किसी भी चीज को it's mean to minus करना. One means number one. Out बाहर को कहते हैं out. कि हमें जो हमें नंबर्स दिए हैं उनमें से वन नंबर माइनस करना है. It's time for a poem. Caterpillar, caterpillar, how many spots? 4 spots, and crossing 1 makes 3 spots. Dear student, there are 4 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4. And crossing 1 means to cross out 1 spot. How many spots remaining? 1, 2, 3. 3 spots remaining after crossing 1 spot from 4. Next, caterpillar, caterpillar, how many spots? 5 spots, and crossing 1 makes 4 spots. There are how many spots? Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 spots, and crossing 1 spot, it means to cross out 1 spot. How many spots remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4. After crossing 1 spot from 5, 4 spots left. Now, dear student, on to the topic. It's 4 minus 1 equal to. First of all, there is a 4 in the box. And trace the 4 on the dots like this. Next, count these spots with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many spots? 4. As we trace 4 here. Next, minus 1. Cross out 1 spot. Now cross the 1 spot. Trace the cross. Like this. Now how many spots? 1, 2, 3. After crossing 1 spot from 4, 3 spots left. Now 4 minus 1 equal to 3. Trace the 3 in the box like this. Next one. 7 minus 1 equal to how many spots? First of all, trace the 7 in the box like this. Trace on the dots. Now count these spots with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many spots? 7 spots. 7 minus 1. Cross the 1 spot. Cross like this. Now how many spots? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now write 6 in the box like this. Now dear students, there are 7 spots, and after crossing 1 spot from 7, it makes 6. Next one. 5 minus 1. First of all, trace the 5 in the box like this. 5 minus 1. Now count these spots. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 minus 1. It means 5 spots and crossing 1 spot. Now cross 1 spot like this. 5 minus 1 makes 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 spots left. Now write the 4 in the box like this. Now dear student, the last one is 8 minus 1. First of all, trace the 8 in the box like this, and now count the spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 spots. 8 minus 1. Minus 1, it's mean to cross out the one spot. Now cross out the one spot like this. Now 8 minus 1. How many spots? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 spots, and crossing out one spot, it makes 7 spots. Now write the 7 in the box like this. Now dear student, on the page number 26, the next one is the crossing 2 outs. Crossing 2 out, it means to cross out the 2. Number 2 means कि 2 numbers को हमने cross out करना है from the given number. Likewise, as we learn about crossing 1 out, now it's a crossing 2 out. As a time for a poem, it's a big ostrich. Big ostrich, how many eggs? 6 eggs, and crossing 2 makes the 4 eggs. Now, dear student, as the given different numbers are given, and we have to cross out the 2 digits from the first one, like the 6 minus 2. It's mean कि 6 में से हमें 2 को माइनस करना है, 2 को क्रॉस आउट करना है. Now 6 eggs and crossing 2 makes 4 eggs. There are 6 eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 eggs and crossing 2 eggs. Now cross 2 eggs. 1, 2. Crossing 2 eggs, it makes 4 eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next one, big ostrich. Big ostrich, how many eggs? 4 eggs, and crossing 2 makes 2 eggs. Now total 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 eggs and crossing 2 eggs. Now cross out 2 eggs like this. Now how many eggs? 1, 2. Four eggs and crossing 2 eggs make 2 eggs. 4 minus 2 equal to 2. Now the first one is 6 minus 2. First of all, trace the 6 in the box like this. Minus 2. First of all, count all these eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 eggs minus 2 eggs. Now cross out 2 eggs. 1, 2. How many eggs remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 minus 2 equal to 4. 4 eggs. Now trace the 4 in the box like this. The next one, 4 minus 2. First of all, trace the 4 in the box like this, and now count these eggs with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 4 eggs minus 2 eggs. It means 4 eggs and crossing 2 eggs. Now cross out 2 eggs. 1, 2. Now 4 eggs and crossing out 2 eggs, it's make 1, 2, 2. Now write 2 in the box like this. 4 minus 2 equal to 2. The next 2 working you have to complete with the help of your parent likewise. On the next page, page number 27. As it's a crossing 3 out. As we learn about crossing 1 out and crossing 2 out. Now it's a crossing 3 out. Means कि हमें जो नंबर दिए हुए हमने उनमें से नंबर 3 को क्रॉस आउट करना है, माइनस करना है. बट बिफोर It's a story time. A hunter was trying to shoot the birds and Ali was watching this. He picked up a stone and threw it toward the tree to save the birds. And Hunter missed his shot and ran away. He is Ali and he is a hunter. And Hunter was trying to shoot all these birds. As the 4 birds are sitting on the tree. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 birds are sitting on the tree and 4 birds fly. It's mean कि एक हंटर, एक शिकारी था जो कि बर्ड्स को शूट करना चाहता था, उनका शिकार करना चाहता, बट अली ने उनको देख लिया और अली ने एक स्टोन जो था वो दरख्त की तरफ फेंका, जिसकी वजह से जो बर्ड थे वो सेव हो गए और हंटर जो था उसका शॉट मिस हो गया और वो भाग गया. नाउ देयर इज अ टॉपिक क्रॉसिंग 3 आउट. नाउ द फर्स्ट वन इज 8 minus 3. First of all, trace 8 in the box like this. 8 minus 3. Now count all these birds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 birds, 8 minus 3. Now cross out 3 birds from 8. 1, 2, 3. 8 minus 3. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 8 minus 3 equal to 5. Now trace the 5 in the box. The next one is 7 minus 3. First of all, trace the 7 in the box like this. And now count all these birds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are total 7 birds and now cross out the 3 birds. Now cross out the 3 birds. 1, 2, 3. 7 birds and cross out 3 birds. It's make 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the 4 birds are left. Now dear student, these 2 working you have to complete with the help of your parents. The next one is be an artist. It's a short activity. Dear kids, try to draw and color the bird. Here the bird and you have to trace it neat and clean and color it according to your own choice. Dear kids, it was all about today's working. Make sure your presence and complete your work neat and clean with the help of your parents. Take care of yourself and fi amanillah.